it. Everything will be guided by us in the support project training. And for rollout and migration, we will provide you the template, the global template, which to be followed for rollouting a project from one company code to another company code, one plant to another plant, or one sales organization to another sales organization. Likewise, migrating from ECC to S4 HANA, what are the challenges we will face and what are the delta changes we should concentrate, how to migrate the data through Migrate Your Cockpit tool, and where the technical consultants are involved. As a functional consultant, what is our role, what is basis team role, what is ABAP's role. So those kind of clear definition and the training will be given by us in this project training. In this implementation project, we are following Activate methodology. It consists of 6 phases. Starts with discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run. The first phase, discover phase. This discover phase is also called requirement gathering phase. The key persons are business analyst from our side. From client side, the core team member. The business analyst and the core team member will prepare the high-level scope document. That is called generic scope document. After completion of the generic scope document, the senior consultant and the solution architect from our side involved with the core team member, and they will prepare the module specific scope document. And this is the only deliverable document in functional consultant point of view we will deliver in the discover phase. Once we completed the scope, we will move on to prepare phase. There, first the team will be finalized based on the module, how many consultants required and who are all the consultants. For example, finance side, 2 consultants, 2 in the sense 1 senior and 1 associate. Controlling side, 2 consultants will be there. SD2, MM2, PPQM2, PM1, Project System 1, and EWM1. You 1 or 2 in EWM will be there. Likewise, technical people. 2 basis, 1 security, followed by 7 to 8 ABAPs. All put together, 15 to 20 consultants will be there in the project. Normal project duration, 8 to 12 months. Once the team finalized, we will move on to kickoff meeting. In the kickoff meeting, the introduction will take place. From our side, delivery manager, project manager, scrum master, followed by all the technical and functional consultant. From their side, directors, managers, stakeholders, sponsors, followed by all the core team members. After the introduction, the scope document which prepared in the discover phase will be distributed to all the consultants here. So as a consultant, functional consultant, our role starts from here. Once we receive the scope in the kickoff meeting, we will go through it. For further clarification, we can directly visit the client, we can discuss with the core team member. We will also conduct multiple workshops. In each and every workshop, the Q&A session will be there. Based on that, we will prepare our first deliverable document as a BPML. BPML means Business Process Map List. Based on the workshop, here we are preparing the BPML document. BPML means Business Process Map List or Master List. From here, to-be process starts. The scope is called as-is document. Why as-is? Because which contains information as it is about the client business process. Now we are entering into SAP. So from here, to-be process starts. Let me quickly show you the sample BPML document. First, let me open in FI point of view. FI consists of 5 submodules: accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, general, ledger, banking, controlling separate module, but that also we given here. See GL, all GL related process. accounts payable side. All vendor related process. It is the integration between FI and MM. Then accounts receivable side, integration between FI and SD. So all customer related process. Asset accounting, asset related process, asset purchase, asset sales, asset scrap, asset depreciation, asset transfer, asset on scrap, asset like depreciation, all asset related process will be mapped here. Then controlling. So in our project training, we will cover in controlling like process like material ledger activation, profit center, cost center, internal order, profitability analysis. These are the area we will concentrate in our project training. So as a functional consultant, in real time what we are doing, we are mapping the client business process into SAP standard business process. Let me quickly show you in a MM point of view. See, in MM, you can see procurement of stock material, non-stock material, asset procurement, service procurement, consignment, consumable, contract procurement, scheduling agreement, MRP, inter-STO, intra-STO, third-party vendor return, reservation, physical inventory, invoice verification. So these all are standard process given by the SAP. So as a functional consultant, as MM consultant, what we are doing, we are go through the client scope document and we are mapping into SAP standard business process. Likewise, in SD point of view. See here you can see SD consists of inquiry, quotation, sales order, contract management. Here also scheduling agreement will come, third party, inter-STO, intra-STO, debit memo, service notification, service sales, order cancellation, free of charge, cash sales, rush order, like milestone billing, periodic billing. So these are the standard process. Here company code wise we mapped. You can see it here. Company code wise we mapped the process. So this is one of the sample I showed here. As a functional consultant, this is our first deliverable document in the prepare phase. That is called BPML. Once the BPML completed, once they approved, the prepare phase milestone completed, then project moves to explore. There, first we will start with fit to standard based on SAP best practice. See, in SAP S4 HANA, SAP itself introduced a portal called help.sap.com, that is also called Signavio tool or SAP best practice. By using SUser ID, we can able to log in there. So why they introduced SAP best practice means the implementation we may do anywhere in this world, or the industry also might be anything like trading or manufacturing or service. Whatever the country might be, whatever the industry might be, the standard roles and the standard process should not change anywhere. That's why they introduced SAP best practice in S4 HANA. As a functional consultant, we are following the same and we ask our client also to adopt the same. So in fit to standard, we are explaining the process in detail to the client. Whatever the process we identified in the BPML, we are explaining detailedly to the client. That is called fit to standard. Let me quickly show you the sample fit to standard document. Here you can see in MM point of view, I am opening procurement of direct stock material. Here you can see the process consists of overview, key process flow, business benefit, flow chart, roles and authorization. Process overview. Okay, it is like a definition of the process. Procurement of direct stock material, we can execute manually or through MRP. Both ways we can execute. So that we are explaining here. Followed by key process flow. That means starts with purchase requisition, followed by purchase order, then goods receipt, invoice verification, if required down payment. Then business benefit by using SAP S4 HANA, direct material procurement process, what are the benefit client will get. That also we want to explain to the client. Then flow chart. Here you can see the flow chart and roles also given here. Purchaser can execute the purchase requisition and the purchase order. Purchase manager can do the approvals. Warehouse clerk can do the goods receipt. Inventory manager will maintain the inventory, transfer posting, goods issue. Accounts payable accountant will execute the down payment, advance payment, and invoice verification. We given separately also the rules. So as a functional consultant, what we are doing, first we identified the process and we mapped the standard process into SAP standard process. Then we are explaining each and every process detailing to the client so that client will understand SAP best practice. Even I also copy pasted from the best practice only. That is called fit to standard. Sometimes some functionality might not fit to standard. The best example, approval matrix, RF scanner. So these are the examples. It might be gap, and we want to fit the gap into ABAP objects. The objects are workflow, report, interface, conversion, enhancement, and forms. These are the ABAP objects. See, first we are explaining fitting the gap into ABAP objects. The objects are workflow, report, interface, conversion, enhancement, and forms. To develop this ABAP object in the SAP system, we require ABAP support. So for them, as a functional consultant, we are providing the FSD, functional specification document. So to write the FSD, functional specification document, first of all, we want to finalize the template for each and every object with the client. Based on the template, we are identifying the table name and field name. Then we are writing the logic that is called functional specification document. Based on the FS document, ABAP will take care. Then we will move on to KDS. sales group, sales area combinations, all the combinations of sales area, sales office, like a document type for a plant. Okay, this is the combination. Okay, distribution channel for plant definition, then customers, partner function, sales area document type, sales order document type, delivery document type, billing document type, SD pricing procedure, payment terms, Incoterms, material type, service master. So here also integration will be there, pricing procedure will be there, all the integrations will be defined here. So as a functional SD consultant, what we are doing, we are suggesting the codification to the client. Whatever we are suggesting, it should be justifiable. Such manner we want to design the codification, that is called KDS, key data structure. Once we completed, we will move on to business blueprint. Business blueprint is the combination of as and to be document. It's followed by organization structure, master data, process, gaps identified based on the process, solutions provided to the gaps, followed by all the configuration steps with the path and T code should be maintained in the business blueprint. Business blueprint is also called business solution document or process definition document. So these all are key deliverable documents. Say there are some additional deliverable documents like data migration strategy document, which means which tool we are going to be used for migrating the data from legacy to SAP, from non-SAP to SAP. For example, migrate your cockpit as a tool. Here we want to mention, make a document like what is migrate your cockpit and what are the template to be followed in migrate your cockpit. Module ways, respective consultant will prepare this document, followed by authorization matrix and role assignment. So authorization matrix means a role-based authorization created by basis team. Credentials will be provided by security team. And consultant may have certain authorizations. End users will have certain authorizations. Then key user or super user may have certain authorizations. They are called core team member. So these authorization, first as a functional consultant, we want to make a document first. Who can access which path and T code. Based on that, the basis and security will take care. So till here we did only documentation point of view. We started scope in the discover, followed by BPML in the prepare. Then we moved to explore. There we started with fit to standard, gap analysis, ABAP objects, functional specification, key data structure, business blueprint, data migration strategy document, authorization matrix document. Once we completed all these documents, after the client approval, we will move to realize. There we will start the configuration in the SAP system. As you people are aware of, FI will start in the development. First they will do enterprise structure configuration, followed by master data and process configuration. Then MM, SD, PPQM, EWM, likewise the configuration flow will go on. Once everyone completed, we will do testing. Normally, module consultant will do unit testing in the development itself. It is like a process-wise testing. For example, in MM point of view, procurement of stock material, non-stock material, consignment. So these are the process, like framework order, service procurement comes under unit testing. In SD point of view, domestic sales, again there also consignment, service sales, rush order, cash, contract, scheduling agreement will come. In PP point of view, make to stock. In FI point of view, all transactions. Even we can consider asset also. These are the process comes under unit testing. Then integration comes under system integration testing. Again, in that integration testing, we have two aspects, functional ways, technical ways. In functional ways, for example, in point of view, material management point of view, subcontracting, and PP will take care. Cross-module functionality will be there in integration testing. MTO, make to order, SD and PP will take care. Intra-STO, third party. and SD, integration will be there. Automatic account determination, and FI will take place. Tax procedure, SD and FI will take place. Material ledger activation, and CO will take place. Profitability analysis, CO and SD will take care. Then internal, like inbound delivery, and EWM, outbound delivery, SD and EWM. So these are the integration process. Comes under integration testing process wise. Cross-module functional consultant will take care based on the script and scenario. Then under integration, we have technical also. They are called middleware consultant, modules like PIPO and MII. So they will take care integration, SAP software integrated with other devices, other softwares, other peripherals, other like printers, okay, like other RF scanners, interact with other external softwares. So those kind of integration testing will be taken care by the technical consultant. While doing this unit testing and the integration testing, as a functional consultant, we will prepare the user manual. Normally, unit testing we will do in the development, integration testing we will do in the quality. After completion of the unit testing, we will move all the TRs to quality and we will upload some 20% of the real-time data. There we will do integration testing, functional ways, technical ways. While doing this kind of testing, we will prepare the user manual for each and every process. Based on the user manual, we will train the core team member. There we will start UAT, under deployment phase. We will start UAT, user acceptance testing. The core team member, he is the responsible person to do the UAT process, UAT testing. For him, we will train, based on the user manual, we will train him and we will provide all the business functionality, business scenarios, test script. Based on that, he will do UAT. Once he approved, we will move on to cutover. For cutover, first we will plan the days and hours. We will freeze the existing system and want to move the data. For that, we will plan the days. Normally, they will allocate 7 working days. In that 7 working days, first we will move all the TRs to production. Then again, the technical integration testing will take place there, like PIPO consultant, MII consultant, followed by functional consultant will move all the data from legacy to SAP, from non-SAP to SAP through migrate your cockpit tool. FI will start first, followed by other module people. Once everyone completed, we will do readiness check. The readiness check is called pre-go live check. After completion of the readiness check, we will fix a day and perform the go live. On the go live day, client also invite their vendors and customers. In front of them, we will execute all the process. From that moment onwards, clients start using SAP as their ERP software, and we will start supporting the live production system, and we will monitor the live system. Then project moves to run phase. Run phase is also called hypercare. There we will train all the end users and we will hand over all the deliverable documents, including project closure document, and we will start solving the tickets. Tickets are nothing but issues faced by the end users. And we will prepare user manual for further reference also. Normally, the run phase, hypercare would be 4-month duration. After 4 months, the project moves to support. Then based on SLA, it will move on. That's it about the implementation project. Now, why you people want to choose Mara Technologies? See, as I said here, many level of people are joining. Some of them are end users to convert their profile as experienced consultant, they are joining. Some of them are domain changes, they are new to SAP. Some of them are already consultant to explore end-to-end implementation project, they are joining. But all three will not be in same level of knowledge while joining. After completion of this program, everyone should have same level of knowledge and you people should crack any kind of interviews. So for that, wherever you are lagging, in the configuration aspect, project aspect, everything we will take care. We will help you to project yourself as a minimum 4+ year experienced consultant. So based on our recent training program, some of them got offer for even 24 lakhs also in point of view, and in EWM point of view, someone got offer for 36 lakhs. They projected themselves as a 7 and 8+ year experienced consultant. Such a manner we trained them. So when you talk about interview, so what are the questions they will ask? What are the phases you involved? What are the challenges you faced? How you collected data with the client? How you interacted with the other module people? What are the heated movement with the other consultant? And could you explain some functional specification? Did you involved in any enhancement? Did you did cutover activity? What are the steps to be followed in cutover activity? In FI point of view, how you did the open accounting, like open balance? How you did asset depreciations? What is house banking? How many accounts you involved? What are the challenges you faced in that tax procedures? In SD point of view, internal order, in PP point of view, in SD point of view, profitability analysis, and pricing procedure, batch management, and in EWM point of view, all inbound delivery and outbound delivery, process with configuration. So these are the areas in interview they are asking with real-time scenarios. Everything will be covered in this training program. And for support, we are providing you a Jira tool. You can explore how to use a Jira tool and how the tickets are assigned, how we are solving the ticket based on the priority. And we will train you at least 5 tickets in each level. P4, 5 tickets. P3, 5 tickets. P2, 5 tickets. P1, 5 tickets. So that you can easily answer in the interview regarding the tickets and the ticketing tools. And you can easily explain about the functional specification. How you did the FSD document. You can easily explain. Table level, we will train you. We will take care of you individually. Actual project duration, 60 days program. It is a 60 days program, 2-month program, including Saturdays. Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session will be there. Each session we will consider as a stand-up meeting. In this project training, we will work like a client, project manager, and the scrum master. You people should work like a consultant. All the sessions will be recorded, uploaded in the Google Drive. You can watch it anytime. There is no restriction. It's a lifetime access. Server access will be provided by us, including Fiori. This project you are going to do in on-premises server, execute some process in Fiori. Actually, we already started a batch. It's going on. Upcoming batch, same month, this month. By 24th, we are starting the batch. Morning, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session will be there. And in Saturdays, morning 3 hour session will be there. Evening, afternoon 2 hour session will be there. In morning time, in Saturdays, we will train you on support tickets and the FSD document. In afternoons, we will discuss the real-time scenarios with mock interviews. So probably we will connect 8 Saturdays, 8 mock interviews will be there. And we are supporting 100% to get a job. See, we not tied with any of the companies. I am mentioning this point also. But how it is possible means, we have our own consultancy. Through our consultancy, we are helping you people to get a job across the globe, not only in India. And we proven also. See, to get a job, you need 3 things. First, in-depth configuration knowledge. Second point, at least one end-to-end implementation project exposure. Third point, relevant experience document. At least 3 years you should show in your CV. And you should be able to crack any kind of interview. So everything we will take care. We will train you 100% as a consultant point of view. We will connect with you people individually. Wherever you are lagging, we will take care. After completion, definitely you can project yourself as a minimum 4+ year experienced consultant. Here in this project, we choose the client which we already implemented in the Gulf region. It is a very big organization there in UAE. It covers all 3 industries. It covers manufacturing, it covers trading, and it covers service also. So in the single project, you can explore 3 industries and 4 different projects like implementation, support, rollout, and migration. In 60 days, we will make you as a 100% Pakka consultant. We will help you how to explore SAP best practice also. Signavia tool. That also we are help you people to explore. All the real-time scenarios will be discussed during the UAT, user acceptance testing. We will discuss all the real-time scenarios. For this project, we are charging only 35,000. In that, we are providing 5,000 as a discount. Only 30 you need to pay. This 30 also you can pay in 2 installments, 15 and 15, 20 and 10. Like that, you can pay. Quickly show you my methodology, what we are following in Mara Technologies. See, our training program starts with what is Activate methodology, what is ASAP as Activate methodology. See, whatever I shown here, only high level. There are 25 deliverable documents are there. Some of the additional documents, phase by phase we given here. What are the key deliverable document you will do in each and every phase, detailing given in the session. What is Activate methodology? What is ASAP as Activate methodology? There you will come to know the difference between waterfall and agile, and what is landscape of SAP with versions and history, including public and private server. Then Activate methodology in detail, RACIF object overview, delta changes. Module-based ECC to S/4HANA delta changes will be trained by us. Then client overview. As I said, we choose the client which we already implemented in the Gulf region in the year 21-22. It covers all 3 industries. Scope document, module-based scope document will be displayed here. Then BPML. See, till here, we will take care. From BPML, you want to work like a consultant. All the template and the section will be provided as you want to deliver BPML fit to standard based on best practice. Best practice we already downloaded by using our ID. We already downloaded. We will share to you people for all the process. You can do your own fit to standard based on our template, global template, SAP standard template. Then KDS, of course, this is a group discussion. Business blueprint also delivered by yourself. Functional specification in Saturdays, we will concentrate on the FSD. tables. To write the FSD, we require some of the tables. We require knowledge in tables. How to map the table, that is very, very important. That also we will train you. Configuration document will be shared by us. Test script will be shared by us. Real-time scenarios. All the real-time scenarios will be discussed during the UAT. In data migration, we will train you on LTMC, LSMW, and migrate your cockpit. All three tools will be trained by us during migrate this. Normally, this also will take 3 to 4 hours time. In a day, Saturday, we will do this. Then, for pre-go live and go live, what are the checklists to be followed? There is an industry standard checklist across the globe. The people, consultant will follow the same. That template will be provided by us. Interview questions, configuration-wise interview questions, project-wise interview questions, real-time scenario-wise interview questions also will be shared by us. Support tickets, go-live activity, user manual for all the process, for migration and rollout checklist, real-time scenarios for support project, Fiori access and Fiori process will be trained by us in this project training program. Fine, guys. Thank you. That's it from my side. Now you can start asking your doubts.
Hello, Khan.
Yes.
The thing is, you have explained completely what are the scenarios and you are going to train, or else some other team, or else some other colleague of your technology company.
Here we are a group of 6 people. All 6 will be there in all the session.
Okay.
And trainees also, all the consultant. We consider you people as a consultant here.
Okay.
Like MMSD, FAPP, EWM will be there. We will group 1 MM, 1 SD, 1 FA, 1 PP, 1 EWM. If someone is not there, we will take care. From our side also, Dhanush sir will be there. He is the key person. Under him, I will be there. Under me, team will be there. For MM a person, SD a person, PP a person, QM separate person, for project system separate person, EWM separate person will be there. We all will be there in the group and then the session also.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Fine. Yes. Any other doubts? Smith? Yes, Madhav?
Just couple of questions. One, I think you mentioned fees as 30,000, right? I remember she mentioned as 20,000. I don't know. Is there a? Did I got it
20,000? No one will not provide.
Okay. Fine. Okay. And then we need to have strong configuration knowledge, right, to begin this project?
See, 100% you should have configuration project before starting. Then only you can crack the interviews. Okay. Certain topics, suppose if you are lacking in certain, what is your module, Madhav? MM. You may lag in pricing procedure, batch management, output determination, partner determination, and asset purchase, production version in subcontracting. These are the topics you may lack, that we will take care.
Hi, sorry, last very. The timings is 6 to 7. Is there? You don't have any afternoon section or something?
No, this is fixed timing only. Afternoon means next month we will start. That is not also not afternoon. Next month, timing would be. Just a moment. Let me tell. (11 to 12).
Okay, and when is that next month? What time next month? I mean,
August 10th we are planning to start.
Okay, fine.
August 10th we are planning to start. The timing would be morning time 11 to 12. Evening would be 8 to 9. Anyone you can choose it.
Okay. So that is both are in on August 10th.
Yeah, same month, August 10th.
Okay. Fine.
Every month you will start 3 batches. 2 starting and 1 at the end of the month, likewise.
Okay. Got it. And that entire course is 2 months, right? 60 days.
60 days completely, including Sunday.
Okay. Thank you. So that means basically 100 hours?
We can't define the hours because while doing the configuration, you may face many issues. Integrations you will do no, so many issues. And for automatic account determination itself, you will take some 5 to 6 hours with the FI people.
Okay.
Or live MRP, okay, that for PP you will again it will take 5 to 6 hours. If any issues are there from PP side, again it will take some 10 to 15 hours to complete. So here we can't define the timing, only the days will be defined. So 1 hour would be the stand-up meeting. Apart from that, the document side you will do by 1 hour. But while doing the testing, configuration, definitely will take 5 to 6 hours per day.
That is like you will not be available, but I will we will be doing it, and when you have doubts, we will raise in next class.
Yeah, correct. And even we will connect also in night time or in afternoon time. We will connect also.
Okay.
Because 1 hour session definitely will not permit to cover entire issues.
Okay.
Separately we will connect module wise and person wise.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yes, you need to say yes.
Hi, Srikant. Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Actually, I have SAP testing experience. Means
Okay.
SIT, UAT, and my project work is taking business process from consultant and prepare test scope according to that. So, how much hard it will be for me to gain knowledge?
See, out of 25 deliverable, you worked on 1 deliverable. Okay. And based on my experience, many testers, they converted their profile as a consultant. And the testing people have multiple module end user process knowledge. So you people are good in process wise, you people are very good in multiple module also. So it is very easy for us to convert your profile. And the thing is, only thing again I am telling you should have basic configuration knowledge. What is your module?
My module is MM and TM.
No, any one you choose it here. Don't want to choose TM. Choose MM. Okay.
Yes. I'm currently studying SD from previous 1 month.
See, don't confuse modules. Each module is a version.
Okay.
Okay. And we should stick on a particular module. First, we need an entry. After entry, you can do anything. That is different.
Okay.
You should have in-depth knowledge. We are all consultant. Consultant means who? We are a solution provider.
Okay.
So we should have in-depth knowledge. Without experience, how can you provide the solution? The client will ask. That's why people are putting some 3 to 4 years. That much exposure and knowledge we should have. So for that, please choose a particular module, practice more, try to enter into SAP, at least work for 1 year. Then you can switch over anything, EWM or TM or SD, whatever you like, you can proceed.
Okay. Yes. So we are getting server access also.
Definitely, because it's an integration. No, everyone will be there. So we will provide you a common server for all of them.
Okay.
Yes, Vivek.
No questions, Srikant.
Thank you. And Aarti. Okay, fine, guys. That's it from my side. Thank you. Thanks for joining. We can see.
Just one query actually.
Yeah.
My profile is a little different. Maybe I'll explain my profile a little later if everyone quits, because and then I want to check whether I'm still suitable or not. If you have time.
See, my number 9894119006. You can call me after this session.
1 second. Okay.
I texted here in the chat box 9894119006. I texted in the chat box. You guys can note down and ping me. I will call you.
Yeah, sure. I ping in WhatsApp.
Yeah. You ping me. I will call you after some time. I definitely will call you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. We can see you soon in the session. Thank you all. Bye.